Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. Thanks for joining me. I am going to make a bunch of stuff because tomorrow is Benjamin's birthday. We're gonna have a party with all of our family and friends. He's turning 5 years old. I can't believe it. He's just growing way too fast. So we are gonna have everyone together, have some food. We're gonna swim and have a good time with everybody. So I'm gonna get everything going that we're gonna have. I'm gonna do a sandwich bar for tomorrow I made chicken salad a couple weeks ago. I will link that video in the description box. My husband loved it, so I'm gonna make a big batch of chicken salad. We'll do some peanut butter jelly sandwiches for the kids, turkey, I got some roast beef and ham as well. So a bunch of different sandwiches and a bunch of different salads. I'm gonna do a broccoli salad, macaroni salad, and I'm gonna do green salad, fruit salad. I'm gonna get the broccoli salad and the macaroni salad prepped up, ready to go for tomorrow. I'm gonna use my air fryer for a couple things. I'm going to make my hard-boiled eggs for the macaroni salad in the air fryer, and then I'm also going to make my bacon in the air fryer, which I'm going to use for the broccoli salad. So I'm gonna get everything going, ready to go for the fun birthday party tomorrow. It's gonna be a blast. It's gonna be great to see all of our friends and family and have some good food. I will get all of this going and I will put the recipe for all of this in the description box. The broccoli salad, macaroni salad, and my chicken salad. The broccoli and chicken salad are keto friendly. The macaroni salad, definitely not. My husband made a joke. He's like, are we gonna eat keto for Benjamin's birthday party? And I said, no, I will serve regular food for all of our guests. So anyways, I'm gonna get this all going.
All right, I'm gonna start with my hard-boiled eggs in my egg fryer. So I have 4 in there and I'm just going to put the air fryer on bake. I use 17 minutes and then these eggs will get going. They take the longest to cook out of everything. So I'm starting these first. And now I will add, I'm gonna add my macaroni noodles into my pot of boiling water. I'll get these cooking. They take about 8 minutes. So I'm gonna get the noodles going as well. Now that the eggs are done out of the air fryer, I am going to add them into a bowl of ice water. This is going to help the peel come off really easily. So I'm going to take each one out with tongs. They're super hot, so I'm going to place them in my ice water for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then they'll be ready to peel and they will be perfect. So I have a couple little spots on these, but it just comes off in the water. I'm not sure what the spots are from, but these eggs are gonna be ready to go. So I have my noodles, they're all cooked, my macaroni noodles. I have a cup and a half of mayonnaise. So I'm going to be using a lot of mayonnaise in these salads today, but it just makes it so yummy. I wanted to make some good food for this party for tomorrow. I have some diced up pickles. I have diced olives, about a half a cup of each of those. I have a half a cup of diced red onion. I have a quarter cup of pimento. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt, salt to taste for your preference, and also some black pepper. So it's your preference on how much salt and pepper you're going to add to your salad. So once I get all that in there, I'm also going to add in my hard-boiled eggs. So I am just going to I have them already peeled. So I'm going to stir this a little bit and then I'm going to add in the hard-boiled egg just into some small pieces, and then it'll break up as well as I stir it a little bit more. But these hard-boiled eggs turn out so good in the air fryer, really easy to peel, which I love. So these eggs are ready to go. All right, everything's in the macaroni salad. I'm gonna stir it all the way so that all of the ingredients are mixed all the way through. This macaroni salad is my favorite and it is so easy to make. So I'm going to mix it all. I'm gonna break up the egg so it's in some smaller pieces. And then this is gonna be ready to go for the party. All right, now I'm gonna make the bacon for my broccoli salad in my air fryer. Really, really easy, really quick, and not messy at all. And you guys know that I love easy cleanup things. So I'm gonna get my bacon started in the air fryer. All right, I have my broccoli salad ready to go. I have my bowl of broccoli. I'm going to use mayonnaise again for this salad. So a cup and a half of mayonnaise. And then in this salad, I'm going to use, I have another half a cup of diced red onion. And I have half a cup of dried cranberries, which makes this really delicious. I have a quarter cup of sunflower seeds, and I have 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. So I'm going to mix all of these in with the broccoli, and then I also have my air fryer bacon. So this turns out so good, so nice and crispy. And I'm just going to take a couple pieces and cut them into small pieces, and it is going to go perfect in this broccoli salad. I have a video on the air fryer bacon that I'm going to post, so I will link that in the description as well, so you can see the whole video on my air fryer bacon. I've been using my air fryer a bunch this summer because I love that it doesn't heat up the house by turning on the oven, which I absolutely love, and it's so quick as well. So I'm going to stir the whole broccoli salad together with all the ingredients, and it will be ready to go for the birthday party tomorrow. The final salad I'm going to prep for the party is going to be the chicken salad. So I have 2 rotisserie chickens, and I'm just going to use all of the breast meat that I can get off. I'm going to save the legs and the wings for the kids and my husband. They're going to have for lunch. They love rotisserie chicken wings. So I'm just going to use the breast out of this, and I'm going to use 2 chickens because I want to make a big batch. We have quite a few people coming over tomorrow, so I want to make sure that there's plenty in case people all want chicken salad. So I'm going to just tear apart all of the meat out of the rotisserie chicken, and then I'm going to shred it as well so that it's in nice and small pieces. All right, so the chicken is all off of the rotisserie, and so I am going to have all my bowl, it's all shredded. I'm going to add in, I have a cup of diced celery. I'm going to use dried cranberries again, so yummy, gives us a nice sweet flavor. And then I have some mayonnaise, a cup of mayonnaise as well. And I have about a teaspoon of dill seasoning. So this salad is super easy. Very few ingredients, and it is really yummy. Keto friendly. I love making this for my lunches. So I will link the video that I did a couple weeks ago when I made this for my meal prep for my lunch for the week. I will link that in the description box. So check that video out if you didn't check it out a couple weeks ago. Anyway, so I'm going to stir this all together and it will be ready to go. I'm going to serve this. I have a couple different types of bread, and chicken salads are really delicious on croissants. So I got a bunch of croissants. If people on the party want to make a croissant sandwich with chicken salad, this will be there for them to choose from. All right, everything is set out for everyone at the party. I have my chicken salad ready to go. I have lots of croissants, other types of breads. I have green salad, my macaroni salad, broccoli salad, some watermelon, some veggies, and everything is ready to go. I have peanut butter and jelly for the kids if that's what they want. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me prepping for the birthday party. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.